Universeum is a museum built in wood, glass and concrete that comprises 4 fully separated entities with different climatic and environmental zones. In the 10,700 square metre museum, visitors follow the water as it moves from the Swedish mountains via streams, lakes and seas, through the South American jungle and all the way down to the lagoon at the base of the rainforest. The building was designed by Swedish architects in partnership with landscapers and was completed in 2002. Few buildings in the Swedish Wood Awards' 50-year history have attracted as much attention as Universeum, which won the award in 2004 for its entrance section, with its spectacular projecting canopy of glulam beams, a signature feature that has become the face of the museum. Wood also recurs in various other parts of the building, from the mass timber lift shaft to the wooden floors in most of the areas that are heavily trafficked. The large expanses of glazing and the walkway are suspended on the load-bearing glulam structure. The building offers fresh, bold and creative architecture that combines with its unusually busy flow of visitors to create an exuberant and futuristic urban atmosphere in the heart of Gothenburg, Sweden's second largest city.